I'm Antti Toivanen and I'm a Mint user for the past 10 years. The Mint Report Builder is one of my favorite features of the system because it gives you kind of graphical interface for building your query for the database, and with that you can query pretty much anything out of the database. So that's really powerful. But the magic doesn't stop there, because then Mint has also what you see is what you get, kind of graphical builder for the report design and layout, and with that comes the possibility to use Java expressions as well. So we can actually report any type of data out of the system, then we can display in any format we like, and with that we can even throw in a little bit of Java to make it look even more nice, or do some kind of algorithmic expressions that even though the data on the database says ABC, we can show that on the report and make it whatever we need it to be.